It seems the wait for part 1 of the director Ayan Mukherjee's Brahmastra trilogy is finally over as Amitabh Bachchan has shared the teaser of the film's motion poster. The megastar took to his Instagram to share a motion poster announcement video with exhilarating special effects. He wrote in the caption, "Our journey of sharing Brahmastra with the world is finally beginning. Love, light, fire." Brahmastra director Ayan Mukherjee too shared the film teaser on his Instagram handle. He wrote, "Mopo tomorrow." Mopo is equal to what everyone in our team calls our motion poster. Very important moment in our journey with our Mopo launch tomorrow. Feels surreal that we are finally putting a piece of our film out into the universe. In this unit, Mr. B's voice had to start with his energy and his blessing. Ranbir's image, captured right at the start of our film's shoot, "Jaag Raha Brahmastra Hai" feels so apt at so many levels. Very excited for everyone to see our first poster tomorrow. The film, whose motion poster will be out Wednesday, has a stellar cast of Amitabh Bachchan, Ranbir Kapoor, Alia Bhatt, Moni Roy and Nagarjuna. The epic fantasy superhero film has been in the making for 3 years and has run into delays owing to its scale. But now things look better for the film. The 3-part film is Mukherjee's most ambitious, as he has spent 6 years of his life working on the film before it went on floors in 2018. The music of the film is to be composed by Pritam with lyrics penned by Amitabh Bhattacharya, who will reunite with After Chichore. Ranbir Kapoor's other upcoming projects include Shamshera, Animal, and an untitled project with Love Ranjan. On Ranbir's 39th birthday, Yash Raj Film shared a glimpse of the actor's look from his upcoming film Shamshera. Without sharing too much, the camera focuses on Ranbir's intense eyes. The actor is flaunting long hair and has a mark on his forehead. The poster has "A Legend Will Rise" and 18th March 2022 written on it. Ranbir has been paired opposite Vaani Kapoor in this action spectacle. Directed by Karan Malhotra, Shamshera will also have Sanjay Dutt playing the nemesis to Ranbir's character. Animal, directed by Sandeep Reddy Vanga, is slated to have a worldwide release on August 11, 2023. Animal was earlier slated to release on Dussehra 2022. The film also stars Anil Kapoor, Bobby Deol and Parineeti Chopra.
Subscribe to our channel. Just click on the bell icon for all the latest updates.